The wheel spacers weaken the handling on a Toyota 4Runner. Many people want to know if installing the wheel spacers will negatively enhance the Toyota 4Runner's incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitted, high-quality wheel spacers on your Toyota 4Runner will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That's why Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers don't cause issues. As long as the wheel spacer match your Toyota 4Runner's bolt pattern and hub bolt, you will position the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacer manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheel and chassis. Hub-centric quality Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers can maintain proper balance. Install hub-centric Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the Toyota 4Runner weight better and fill the gap for tight fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. BONOSS Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer, and the BONOSS Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Besides, the bloxsport active cooling Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation cool to make brake cooling better, distributed in kettle shape. These screws allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer while it rotates. The air takes away the heat, though it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and incredible safety. Overall, high-quality Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers properly installed have little effect on ride quality for most daily driving. As always, quality Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers will enhance the ride quality.